Ultimate is effective because the word ultimate assigns top tier status to whatever you're offering. Ultimate is saying this is the best among the best. And the way that you can think about using this is if you have a course, you can call it the ultimate course in whatever category it's in. If you have a product, this is the ultimate product in this category. If you have a coaching business or a consulting business, you could say this is the ultimate package among all of your packages. The way that you do this, you have to be able to back it up. But if you can back it up, if you use the word ultimate, it will make whatever you're offering have a perceived value at the top of the list, at the top of its category, regardless of what you're communicating about. So here is Ray Edwards. He's a great copywriter. He's a copywriting training course. And the way he is communicating about this deal he's running on his Copywriting Academy, he doesn't just say a good deal on Copywriting Academy or a great deal on Copywriting Academy. He calls it the ultimate deal on Copywriting Academy. I know there's a subtle difference between good and great. The ultimate really does communicate this is the best of the best.